Hey guys, so I know I look a little bit crazy right now. That's because I'm filming another video while I'm filming this video. So today I'm going to be doing an easy everyday makeup look. Now I'm going to start by prepping the skin. I've already kind of cleansed and exfoliate my skin a couple of hours before. So I'm gonna go right into prepping. So I'm going to take my Jaffa Royal Jelly Boost Micellar Cleansing Water and a cotton round to start prepping. I love using this when prepping the skin. It's really nice to get all the dirt off and stuff like that. Okay, so now that I have the skin nice and clean, I'm going to take my serum. I'm going to use the Jaffa Royal Jelly Luna Bright Brightening Serum with the Anissa Beauty All Over Treatment Brush. I do keep this in my little mini skincare fridge, and sometimes if I'm not ready for it, it can be really cold at first, and then it feels really nice. Next, I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. This eye cream is from Jaffa. This is the Jaffa Royal Jelly Revitalized Longevity Eye Cream. I use a super small amount of this under the eyes and then also on the lids to moisturizer. Sometimes I do like to use some moisturizer that has sunscreen in it. So I'm going to use this one. This is my favorite moisturizer. This is the Jaffa Gold Dynamics Skin Boosting Moisturizer. This has SPF 15 in it. I really like this stuff. So I'm going to take the Anissa Beauty All Over Care brush to apply this, and I sometimes just like to take what's left on the cap before I dip into the actual product here and just start applying this to the face. I do sometimes get the ears because it does have sunscreen in it, and down in that. Right now that the moisturizer is on, we can then start applying the makeup. Okay, eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I was going to do my eyes first, but I think I'm going to do my face first. Okay, so we're going to start with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This one is in shade 2 over the face. So I have tons of everyday makeup looks. The latte one has made it into my everyday makeup rotation, so that is the makeup look that we are going to do today. Actually, kind of, I did I do a makeup look for a YouTube video? I think I did. I'm going to kind of do a better version of it, because I didn't really like the way I did it last time. And I'm going to use the Beauty Blender puff just to blend in this. I actually love the way that it makes my makeup look when I'm using the spongy side, like for blending in all of my all the foundation. A tinted moisturizer. This is my favorite one from Bare Minerals. This is the Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. This one is in Opal. I actually do like to apply it with a brush. I'm going to put some of this on the back of my hand, and this is the Morphe and Ariel brush number A24. And I'm just going to apply this all over the face. Okay, next I actually want to take the Beauty Blender thing again and just press that into the skin. Okay, next I'm going to take my concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm actually almost out of this. And I'm going to first conceal the under eye area. I like to go right up into the sides of the nose and underneath the eye, and then any blemishes. I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender thing. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines and start kind of bronzing up the skin. I'm going to take it on the cheekbones first, and then on the forehead. I want to try some, since I have such a big forehead, I'm going to try to put some here as well, just to kind of slim it down, make it look smaller. I don't know if that'll do anything, but I want to try it anyway. Then I'm going to put some kind of underneath the bottom lip here, and also on the sides of the nose. So now let's do some highlighting. So I'm going to take my ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer and start highlighting the under eye area, or brightening it up, I mean. Down the nose. I want to put a very tiny bit of that. Ooh, yikes. That might have been too much. Forehead. Cupid's bow. I've been starting to do it underneath the bronzer here. I've been kind of liking it. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to start by blending in the bronzer. I'm going to take a smaller brush to blend in the highlight. Okay, so this is actually one of my favorite blushes I'm going to use, and favorite blush brush. I'm going to use the Honest Beauty Cream Blush in Coral Peach with the Morphine Ariel brush number A22. Now I'm going to set the face. First, I'm going to actually set the under eye area. I'm going to use the, what is this, the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder with the more velvety side of the Beauty Blender Puff. Oh, I forgot to blend in that. Okay, then with a brush, I'm going to use the Morphine Ariel brush number A21 to set the rest of the face. I'm actually going to go in with my bronzer now. I'm going to use the ColourPop Matte Bronzer in Avila Beach, I think it's called, and just apply this to the cheeks and a little bit on the forehead. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes. Okay, I'm going to start by applying my ColourPop Party Proof eye primer. I'm going to blend that in. On top of that, I'm going to take my my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I just like to blend that in with my finger. And then I'm going to go in and set what's left on the puffs. Okay. For the eyeshadow palette today, we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use Silk Cream. I feel like that's a more caramely color. I'm going to take Silk Cream on my Morphe and Ariel brush number A11. I like to get it right up next to the brow. And I was going to use buns too. I'm actually going to use mocha on the outer part of the eye. I like to take my blending brush just to blend it a little bit. Then I'm actually going to take the color SBN choose this one and apply it to the lid. I'm going to take the color in light and apply that to the inner corner. And I also did forget to put on some highlights. So I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian. First, apply this to the cheeks, down the nose, forehead, and Cupid's bow. I'm going to curl my lashes and get another ear, actually. Okay, so my camera died and I was letting it charge for a little bit, so now we're going to go on to the lips. So I'm going to take my favorite lip liner from NYX. This is the NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. Okay. Then I'm going to take my ColourPop and Naruto lip oil in Chakra and apply. I thought this was the perfect color for kind of like this latte makeup look. Now we're going to apply the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And then for a setting spray, I'm going to use the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. So the Bible verse today is Romans 8:11, but it's a little bit of a longer one, so I'm going to keep it in the description. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!